It's recording right now?
So, my name is Belinda Marie Ordaz, and I'm going to tell you about the bestest tia in the whole wide world. Her name is Marcelina, no middle name Ordaz. She's standing right next to me. But she is whack!
You should put it about me.
Yeah.
And I'll put it on my page.
And then, so, this is Belinda, and my tia Marcy, she's my tia. And everybody says that we act like, or we look like sisters, but we don't because I'm prettier. That's her finger. Anyways, I'm just kidding, but she's the best I ever had. Baby, you my everything. You are all I ever want. We could do
it about my retard.
Anyways, this is gonna go on Marcy about me. Marcy is really chill. She has anger problems, you know, but
I really do.
She really does. Like, she'll be like, oh my gosh, it's Saturday, woohoo, I'm happy, cheese. So yay, smile, and then the next, she's like, what'd you say? She's all mad, I don't want to fight you and everything. But when she gets mad, she flips out, she's like, shut up, Marcy, and just shut up, you're having a little tantrum in yours right now, just shut up! Anyways, she's really chill, but like, she likes to have a lot of fun, and she's making faces right now. But she likes to go out a lot. She doesn't go out a lot, but she goes out. And my mom is staring at me like I'm weird or something, but oh well, because she'll get over it. Just kidding. Anyways, just give me the look, the one look. Like that. Anyways, that's what I have to say about Mars. She's really nice. She smiles a lot. She has like perfect teeth. Even the dentist says she has perfect teeth, which is really weird. Because I wish I had perfect teeth, but it's whatever. And if you need somebody to talk to, you can talk to Marcy because she's a good person to talk to. Talk to you about anything. And she can show up